Today I'm going to be unboxing two watches that I got from Joma Shop. These are both Swiss watches, and I'm kind of excited about this. This is the first time I've had a Swiss watch, so I'm going to show it to you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Hey guys, this is Dave. Welcome back to Just the Watch. And like I said, today I'm going to be doing a double unboxing of two watches that I got from Joma Shop. And this video is maybe kind of like semi-sponsored by them. They gave me a discount for these watches, and in return I will be linking to them in the description for the review. So if you want to purchase them, I would recommend that you purchase them from Joma Shop, but definitely also shop around for prices. However, I have used Joma Shop in the past. I really like them as a store. They have really great values, and so they're always one of the ones that I go and check out. Again, particularly looking for watches from the Swatch Group. I think they have a large selection from there. Joma Shop is a gray market retailer, similar in a lot of ways to Amazon. And typically what that means is for most of the watches that you're going to purchase from Joma Shop, it's going to come with a warranty from Joma Shop instead of from the brand itself. Another thing that I love about Joma Shop is that they do ship internationally. So I was able to order these things from Japan and have them shipped over here, and it's fairly reasonable for that as well. Now I got one watch from Hamilton, one watch from Certina. So let's go ahead and unbox them. If you're interested in a wrist check of what I'm wearing right now, stick around to the very end of the video and I'll show you that. Okay, so Certina and Hamilton, two brands that I have been wanting to check out for a long time. And really, yeah, thanks to all of you guys who have been watching and subscribing and helping the channel grow to the point where I can afford to buy things like this and check them out and review on the channel. So I'm really excited about this. Let's start with the Certina first. Now, the thing that I was always interested in about Certina is that they are really a sport watch company. They're really specialized in water-resistant watches, and yet so many of their watches are very elegant and dressy looking. And so the one that I got here, actually, believe it or not, is one I would consider more of a dress watch. So this is a DS1 automatic. It's just a really beautiful watch. It has a little bit of sportiness to it, but to me it really wears much more like a dress watch. If I remember correctly, it's 39 millimeters. Yeah, right on 39 millimeters. You can see it's got a textured dial, and then Roman numerals at the 12, 3, 6, and 9, and then a 430 date, which is maybe the part that I don't like too much about it. And it's got a white second hand, which was kind of interesting. I didn't really notice that from the picture. So the second hand really stands out. There is actually a little bit of lume on the hands as well. I'm not going to do all lume shot and all that. We'll save that for the full review. This one comes on a stainless steel bracelet. And one of the really interesting things that I didn't notice about this one either wasn't until I got it and opened it up. I have opened this before, so it's not a pure unboxing first impressions, but I'll give you a little bit of my thoughts on it. But yeah, that thing that I noticed was that there is no bezel on this watch. So the crystal, it's this kind of boxed sapphire crystal, just rises right out of the case. It's a really interesting look. It's a very thin watch too. I think you've got an ETA movement inside of it. And since I have actually already sized this, I'll go ahead and give you guys a wrist shot too. Okay, so there it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. Again, 39 millimeter, but with it being all dial like that, I think it wears, closer to like a 40, and just looks great for a dress watch. And again, you're getting a full 100 meters of water resistance on this thing. So this is, one of those, office to beach kind of watches where theoretically you could, wear it in the office just fine and then go straight over to the beach and go surfing in the evening or something and take it in the water, and it should be totally fine with that. Pretty sure it's got a screw down crown. Let me check that. Nope, it's actually just a push-pull crown. So you're not getting a thread crown, which would have been nice, but even still, you can still lock in 100 meters of water resistance with a push-pull crown. You just got to be careful not to knock it when you're in the water. Get a glimpse of that ETA movement inside of it, which is a really pretty movement. I believe this one sells on Joma Shop for right around $300. Maybe a little bit more. But pretty impressive price for a Swiss brand with an ETA movement inside, sapphire crystal. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to putting this one through its paces and doing a full review. And we'll get to that later. But for now, let's check out the Hamilton. All right, Hamilton is another brand that I have been waiting to get my hands on one for a long time, so I'm pretty excited about this one as well. Really nice kind of faux wooden box here. But yeah, nice boxing experience. And then inside, let's see which one I got. All right, so this is the Hamilton Khaki King 2 on the stainless steel bracelet, black dial. So if I'm going to try Hamilton out, I wanted to definitely start with a field watch and see what they had to offer. And I'm going to be doing a watch of the month pretty soon, which will be focusing on field watches. So you'll probably be seeing this one then. This is kind of a more dressy looking field watch. I like the day date complication and the crown guards coming out of it. Just gives it a kind of an interesting look. And yet you're still getting the classic field watch layout and design. Love the dial work, and the hand set that they've used, the syringe hands, are really cool. Zooming in so you can see that. You can see the movement has sped up. This one has an 80-hour power reserve in it, which is really nice. So definitely a nice bonus that they've included. I believe Joma Shop sells this one for right around $400. I like that it comes on the stainless steel bracelet, 20mm lug, so you can swap it over to leather or NATO if you're going to take it out in the field. Bracelet is really solid, really good bracelet too, I think. Definitely appreciate that. Nice clasp. And really thin. Both of these watches are very thin. Yeah, so what? About 10, half, 11, basically 11 millimeters thick with the domed sapphire crystal. And I've been really liking thin watches more lately. It's something I tend to look for now. So this will slide under a cuff really easily. Again, very versatile watch, and versatility is something that I always am looking for. So this is one of the reasons I went with this one out of Hamilton's field watches in this range. All right, let's go out with a wrist shot. Okay, so there it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. Again, really comfortable. Love the thinness. And yeah, looking forward to putting this one through its paces as well and coming out with a full review sometime soon. But keep an eye out for that. All right, so with that, let's wrap it up. All right, let me know what you guys think of those two watches. I will be doing full reviews of these watches going forward. This is just the unboxing to kind of show them off and show what I got. And going forward, I'll kind of test them out and get ready to do some reviews. So be looking forward to the full reviews coming sometime in the future. But for now, that gives you a little bit of a sneak preview. Let me know what you guys think of my two picks, and if you approve or disapprove or have other ones that you think I should check out. But for now, that will wrap it up. Okay, but let's go ahead and do the wrist check. I am wearing my Bulova Lunar Pilot. It's been a while since I've been able to have this one on my wrist because I've been testing out so many watches lately. And one of the things that I love about it is it has that super accurate quartz movement in it. So I was able to pick it up and it is still running exactly on time. It's probably been a month or two since I last set the time on it, so I don't have to worry about that at all. Just a really great watch, and I love it on this elastic strap. This is one from Luff, one of their Elastico straps, and it just makes the watch wear really comfortably. It is a large watch, so if you don't have a tight fit with the strap, it can be a little bit cumbersome, but with this strap, I think it really matches the sort of NASA heritage of the watch and the comfort. All right, that will wrap it up for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.